then. Let's go! Let's go! Next stop is the supermarket. Move the red switch to raise the cutout. Clean the wiper and clean the front window. We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class.
Let's go buy some stationery.
Pick your cart.
I need to bring these to class. Please help me find them.
School bag. Yes, it's what I was looking for. Pencil case. Hand sanitizer. Notebook. Water bottle. Quilt. Pillow. Put money in the drawer.
I finished my shopping, all thanks to you. We finished our shopping. Let's get on the bus.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, House. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit? Thank you.
Frank is on the bus. Let's go. Next stop is the photo studio. We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class.
Let's go take some photos.
I need to wear pretty clothes for a photo. Please find some nice ones for me. of me.
It's such a beautiful photo.